Are you ready to add or replace elements in your images without spending hours editing or learning complicated software? I'm going to show you how using Canva's AI Photo Editor, Canva Magic Edit. Hey, I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel, I help you grow your business using video and social media design with ease. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more of these tutorials. Thanks to Canva's incredible AI-powered Magic Edit feature, you can erase pesky distractions or add funky new elements with just a few clicks. This amazing tool is available exclusively for Canva Pro, Canva for nonprofits, and Canva teachers using Canva Education. If you want to get in on the Magic Edit action, click on the link in my description to get Canva Pro free for 45 days. I know you love it. All right, let's get straight into the tutorial in Canva. Okay, now to use Canva Magic Edit, you need to be in a design in order to start editing a photo or image. So I'm just going to go to create a design. You can select any image template that you want. So I'm going to go Instagram story and just open up a blank design. So now I'm going to choose an image that I've already uploaded from my Canva upload section, or you can upload an image that you want to use. So the first one I'm going to do to demo this feature to you is I'm going to add a picture of myself when I was much younger and much skinnier. This was in Italy. We had a fantastic time there. So I'm just going to stretch the photo out just so that it covers the canvas. Now, the next thing you do after you put the image onto the canvas is you select it. You have to click on it in order for the feature to open up. So then we go to Edit Photo, and then we go to Magic Edit. So we're going to click on that, and here's where we start to play with the feature. So depending on what you want to add to the image, you need to brush over that section of the image and create the space for it. You can change the brush size to make it smaller or larger here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant something. So here's where I want the thing that I want added. So I brush that size into the actual image. Then I select continue. And then here's where I describe what I actually want added to my image for me. So here I want, and I'm just going to describe a white light house. And then I'm going to click generate. And this is where Canva Magic Edit will start using its AI powers to come up with some designs. And what I can do here once it's generated them is I can click on them and see what they look like in the design. Now, I think they're not too bad. It's a bit of a, you need to see how it looks like type of thing. They don't all look perfect. This is still really new technology. But sometimes you get ones like this where it's like, hey, that actually looks pretty good and I quite like it. So if you're happy with that, you can select done and it's done. Otherwise, you can go back up and you can change the description here. So maybe it hasn't landed it and you need to add a bit more of a description. You can go back in here and change it to be something else. So I'm going to do another demo. So I'm going to select done for this one because I quite like it. I'm going to add another page. So this is my daughter. I'm just going to stretch the image out so it covers the entire canvas. It's just something that I do. And here I want to add a bow to her hair. So once again, I've added the image. You need to click on it in order for the edit photo button here to appear. I'm going to select that and then click on Magic Edit. The other way that you can access it is to use the Canva Magic Assistant, which if you're curious is this little button here that's sitting in the corner of Canva here. So if you hover over it, you can see Canva Assistant. If I click on that, then I can also type in Magic Edit, or it will come up in the selected actions here. So I'm going to select it here. Otherwise, you can select it from the top menu that appears there. So now I'm going to make this brush size a little bit smaller, and I'm going to put a bow in her hair just around here. Let's see how this goes. So I brushed this space here. I'm going to go here and I'm going to put hair bow. And then I'm going to go generate and cross my fingers. And I see that there are a couple of options here. So I can click on them and I can see what they will look like once it's placed in there. And I don't think these are too bad. Like, I quite like that blue one. I think it's pretty cute, but once again, you can go back and change it. I can be a bit more specific and say, hey, let's go with a pink hair bow and generate and see what it comes up with for us then. So you can just kind of play around and get a different iteration and see what it comes up for you. So let's see what Canva Magic Edit comes up with when I've changed it to be a pink bow. And that's pretty cute. I quite like that. Look at this one. I can have a look at this design. I can check out this one. This is quite cute as well. So once I'm happy with that, I can simply click on done. So that's how you use Canva Magic Edit to edit your images and add things without actually having to crop them out and place them in yourself. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to edit your images using Canva Magic Edit. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please hit the like button for me. And let me know in the comment section what other Canva training you'd like to learn about. I love making these videos for you. In the meantime, why don't you check out my Canva playlist for more tutorials? Or if you're struggling to come up with what to say in your YouTube videos, you'll definitely want my 5 swipeable YouTube scripts. They'll help you come up with content for your videos that grabs your viewers' attention and increases your YouTube watch time. You can check them out by clicking on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.